Hey guys, it's Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting here again, and I just have one little quick unboxing for you today. This is from AliExpress, and it should be 2 paintings from the LaoJieYuan store from AliExpress. As you can see, they're a little beat up, but it does feel like there's 2 boxes in here, so that's good. And it does look like I have 2 thumbnails, so I think that is a good sign. They actually like paste pieces of canvas with printed things on the end of their boxes, which I think is kind of interesting, but doesn't really actually add anything to it, because I mean, those aren't great quality pictures, but it also lets me know what's in the box. So, you know, that's the important part. Okay, so we'll do this little Japanese doll girl first. I'm hoping that this crushed box isn't gonna mean that there's too much damage to it. Okay, that actually doesn't look too bad. Okay. So, one thing I'm noticing that I'm already worried about. No, okay, so it says Magic Cube round burr diamond on here, but I think I peeked in there and it looks like there's crystals, because I did get the crystals. Yep, you can see it's all rhinestones. So here we go. This, I feel like this is different than the last canvas I got from them, but it's been a while. Well, okay, this, I think this is one of the legendary clear covers that is actually still double-sided adhesive, because this really looks like double-sided adhesive, but it does have a clear cover. However, we shall see. So, just flattening it out a bit. Alright, so this is just one of those little Japanese dolls. There's the thumbnail if you want like a better one. But I have seen a couple of these done in the gemstones, and I thought that this might be cute. It occurs to me maybe I shouldn't have done the pink one, because now I'm a little bit worried about the contrast, but we'll see. If it doesn't turn out good, then we won't worry about it. The thing I'm noticing about these gems are these clear rhinestones is that they are a little smaller than the ones you typically find with special diamond paintings. Like, they might just be the same size as like a regular drill. You can see that. They do smell a little musty. I'm not going to go through all of them because honestly they're packed pretty nicely. They are all in their own baggies, so I could conceivably just start this right from this, and I might even do that. I might take it to work and do this as a work painting. It comes with a very standard kit. The pen does have a 3-placer on the end and a squishy attached, and it looks like there's a 9-placer inside, boat without a funnel, and some wax. And the symbols are very clear. So that is a plus. There are no training wheels. And I think that's because I do remember hearing that LaoJieYuan might use the same canvas for all 3 diamond sizes. So I think that their rounds are actually a little bit smaller too than normal. But I cannot confirm that because I have not bought anything but the Pebble rounds, which are the rhinestone diamonds. So I cannot confirm or deny whether that is the case. So we will get into this other one. This one's just a hair bigger. This one was, I want to say 30 by 40. Obviously not true to size. This is smaller. So 30 by 40 full canvas size probably. Okay, so this one I saw Stone Cold Coffee Crafts, I think, had made, and I thought, well, it turned out pretty good, so I will try this one as well. And this is the Lisa Frank Horse Majesty, and wow, I hope it turns out better than the canvas looks, because the canvas does not look great, but everything looks better once it's got the diamonds on it, so it should be okay. Again, I think this is the rare clear covered double-sided adhesive. Symbols are very clear. I like that their key over here, the key is like really big symbols. That's kind of nice. Everything's nice and sticky. Same kit as the other one. And this one is, does it tell me on the package? It does not. I'll put it in here what size it is. But this one's a bit bigger, so maybe this one's the 30 by 40 and the other one is 25 by 30 or something like that. I don't remember. Wow, I'm really on the ball today, guys. Anyway, this one's a little bit more colorful because it's got the rainbow in it, and I think that's going to look really good. If these are the same size as regular drills, I may just do black in the black areas here because I think that'll look nicer. But if they are not the same size as regular drills, I will just use the Pebble drills that it came with. So anyway, yeah, that was a really quick one. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe to my videos, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get notified when I upload new videos, then you would hit the bell to be notified. And I will catch all y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.